Unveiling the Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser Air Humidifier, a symphony of scent and serenity. In the realm of atmospheric enhancements, the Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser Air Humidifier emerges as a unique and captivating device, seamlessly blending technological prowess with aesthetic allure. This multifunctional marvel introduces a symphony of scents and serenity, transforming any space into a haven of tranquility. Ultrasonic Atomizing Sprayer. At the heart of this exceptional device lies an ultrasonic atomizing sprayer. This advanced technology ensures a fine and delicate mist that gently envelops your surroundings, creating an atmosphere of unparalleled relaxation. With a water tank capacity of 360 milliliters, the Cool Mist Humidifier provides ample misting air, enhancing your comfort in atomization modes that mimic both flame and volcano. 2 atomization modes and 2 timer modes. The Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser offers versatility with its 2 distinctive atomization modes. In the flame mode, the mist dances in the air like ethereal fog, while the volcano mode replicates the mystique of a volcanic eruption, emitting fog with a captivating allure. The device also features 2 timer modes, allowing you to customize your experience for 2 or 8 hours, catering to your needs of working, relaxing, or sleeping in a spacious room. Silent operation and waterless auto shut-off. Experience tranquility in its purest form as the scent diffuser sprays delicate fog silently. The device is designed to shut off automatically when the water runs out, ensuring peace of mind and creating a quiet ambience for your concentration or leisure time. Revel in the aromatic mist without disruptions, as the Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser gracefully maintains your quiet space. Wonderful gift. Beyond its functionality, this aromatherapy essential oil diffuser transforms into an exquisite gift. Whether it's Father's Day, Mother's Day, a birthday, Valentine's Day, or any other occasion, gifting the Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser is a gesture of indulgence and thoughtfulness. Share the joy of tranquility with your loved ones and friends. Parameters. Name: Volcanic Flame Air Humidifier Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser Aroma Sprayer. Size: 10.8 by 13.8 by 13.8 centimeters for 0.25 times 5.43 times 5.43 inch. Water tank capacity: 360 milliliters. Spray volume: Flame mode 20-30 ml/h. Volcano mode 5-10 ml/h. Power: 24V 0.5812W. Material: ABS-PP, electronic components. In conclusion, the Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser Air Humidifier transcends the boundaries of conventional devices, offering an unparalleled sensory experience. As you immerse yourself in the captivating mist and choose between flame and volcano modes, you'll find solace and rejuvenation in the comforting embrace of this remarkable creation. Welcome this symphony of scent and serenity into your life, and let the Volcanic Flame Aroma Oil Diffuser redefine the ambience of your space.